Was Ninja Man's past used against him? Did his past return to haunt him? The entertainer whose given name is Desmond John Ballantyne has two convictions. One in 1996 for possession of illegal and banned contraband substance. You know the substance of the man is called Ninja Man name pan. And another one for illegal possession of firearm. And for the High Court judge at that time, Justice Martin Gale, he says Ninja Man's latest transgression, which has him behind bars now, which involved the use of a weapon, he said to him was clear indication that the DJ learned nothing from his previous brushes with the law, seeing that what Ninja Man is behind the bars now, or for now, is a more serious crime than he was incarcerated for previously. But is that Ninja Man's past being used against him? Is it because then they'd hold him with the contraband and then they'd hold him with the illegal firearm? Make them say, all right, if them say do this, you must do it. Now before we continue reason, I'm going to say Ninja Man and I win. They will continue reason. Look and listen.
Me ban out of me move my belly, them a some born cannibal, that what them teach me. Pinyam do money man just be full with belly, what them a sin. Want me pinyam rice and peas and chicken. Them the same thing a pay corruption. Everywhere then ya go. To the Babylon them teeth pinyam cow. No woman with the Babylon them a cook. Them a nyam all the cow and them a cook all the food. You owe me know if it's still in the willing. Murder the cow and then they kill the chicken. Run for the fish when this fish starts to swim. If I made it, God know that journey man thinks so when me say
Ninja, his uncle afraid to fly down. As he pitch him got it in a pot of fry down. Create the animal you wanna pin up and tie down. Like vegetation never.
I win me never want chat. How what a drunk could tell them that a chicken back nobody name that. It full of leg bone and not no but fat but me nah go give them no damn story figure chat. Babylon not take poor people idiot. Then why we give we move and the move alike and give we meat where we put in our damn pot. But make me tell them I win how me damn chat. Give me callaloo with liquor pop show that. With piece of cabbage and a piece of carrot that. Cook some island you could be done right that.
No saltfish night.
I win your man you a damn idiot. Saltfish can go in a bad man pot. Saltfish as in the west think like a what?
Like jungle, dead flesh them picking pan. Burn poor pan, choke kick off the bloody chicken pan. Or them dance so another face them sitting on. I'm a nasty liberty bastard. Watch out now. I put them face I see the damn guilt. From them yam nothing dead then you win yam feel it. Like the dog watch them a drain post. Rest and on yam nothing with pum pum not anus. Fire burning red. Red pan anyone to push them out pan leg. I could a chicken leg. Fire burning red. Ninja Man go burn out a dirty dread.
Hey, I win if you be careful how you chat. Some of them when you meet a gunman that them bust M69mm and Glock. Suppose you hurt them and them want to strike back. You better praise every day with the boomerang attack. And we fight up the place and we
Lava! Watch out man. Watch out man.
burn them.
Them a war, them a war, them a war. What them say war? Balance it man, what them a say them big thing no the far. So the youth them no unnecessary war. And them a tell like them machine no the far. So the youth them no unnecessary war. See them know, them a rush up on the tar. Them set them carry them every duty. Artillery and a lot of lies at the ox down and auxiliary. Who kill Tom from who kill Larry. Them a that tell them say dash away. And them still have it. I will not afraid.
I win.
After, watch it man.
When you hear them talk about them war and I say, nobody follow them.
Afraid.
Can you want me to tell you something? Them said that them bad, but you know that I'm a bad man. When them a baby, them there with them other man. So me get to know say me is a wicked man. Murder the mama, then me go sing song. Till me gonna write story in our twin tongue. Never see me gonna play no ping pong. Me no care for no boy where you bad man. Me murder boy all when in front of Zion. I man Nebuchadnezzar king when in the Babylon. Shadrach commission me no man a one. Me say David come from the dan doggone. From the end in the nation. Lyrics are flow like any and what?
Hey! Hey!
What is that? What I love the guy?
I will.
Watch on ninja. No for glorify them dirty gun. So the magazine long so till them all a touchy ground. So them kill innocent just for fun. The matter the long one side go sit down. I be a death device them fabricate. No one life children them want navigate. No them blood and a leak out of them gate. Family a struggle with them dead body weight and a ball. Lord of that. Fire slaughter soldier, slaughter cop. Tell lie about them God walk on water top. Never live to see fire wing fall back. Fire burn the wicked cop and the wicked act.
Now the judge was also quoted as saying, you were given a chance in 1999. One would have thought that you learned your lesson. Now you are back before the court for the use of a gun. Remember, previously in 1999, it was possession of a weapon, illegally obtained and owned weapon. Now, the judge has said, at the use of another illegal weapon we are talking about right now. He was also quoted as saying, you're a public figure and you are expected to set an example. Prominence and economic success does not place anyone above the law. So what the judge tell Ninjaman. Think about it. As I was saying, Ninjaman was convicted in his past. Now his attorney said, Ninjaman they behind the bars, I get released 1999. And then they on the road till 2017. They must say he was a rehabilitated person. Yeah, they must say he was rehabilitated. His attorney says, a lot of us have passed, moved beyond the past. That's what life is all about, she said. As she urged the media to focus on the positive initiatives that Ninjaman has taken. We heard Wolipa stories about Wolipa, what can I say, activist projects, you know what I mean? Wolipa initiatives for peace in his community and other communities and things of that nature. So she said, Ninjaman said to her, God know why him say him down on Tower Street. Him say him a continue the work with the man them with the behind the bars, the fire gun. And she said she was comforted by that. Hearing that Ninjaman that said, even though he was found guilty, him now look point as an ending to his story or his chapter. Him a look point as a scenario where him can go behind the bars and go talk to the youth them already behind the bars, so that when they are released, them can return to society rehabilitated. Because that's what the big question is about, even at the judge's statement right there. The judge was saying that Ninjaman had previous convictions and it's like him to learn him lesson. So the judge was saying it's almost like Ninjaman had not fully rehabilitated, returned to society's standard. Okay, you know, right now, crime and violence across the world, it reached to a level where people are saying it is senseless. Senseless. And a country versus country and a community versus community, others people are commit senseless crime and violence. The judge also pointed out that Ninjaman is an entertainer, a popular entertainer, and also somebody who people would expect to set a standard, while keeping in mind that money, success and popularity now go place nobody above the law, saying the law was the law. But even the judge, his attorney at the time, people will hear the case. Most people believe, say, Ninjaman was being judged by his persona and by his past convictions. One which was the illegal possession of a firearm. Think about it. When a case is brought up and the prosecutor talked to the jury, put themselves as the jury. And the prosecutor said this man is a man that was convicted for the illegal possession of a firearm. There was an incident that took place in a community with him brethren. And him get himself involved. And there was the use of a illegal firearm in the whole settings. And the whole incident. It might sound like say, he might do it. But that if you look on the base of who this person is on stage, in convictions, and even some of the evidence. Because remember, somebody has said, and I speculate, people are speculating. There was a witness who said, Ninja Man running at the yard, he might have a gun. The witness said, when the explosion was heard, him and the victim was behind the fence. So all them do are hear the noise. So him never see who fired the weapon. But them said them see Ninja Man the weapon. And then the court said them did convict Ninja Man for a weapon. Even the way the case sound. And when you hear other details, like how much people saw him with the weapon, who actually see him fire the weapon, and when you look on those technicalities, people are saying, well, you know what I mean? The Ninja Man said never even did that. Eh? Ninja Man said did all the way a man. Would you believe that? Ninja Man said never did even did it. When the war is going, him going on the yard with the weapon, people see him, all them something there. Ninja Man I say he was not there. But eyewitness and testimony and other things placed him at the scene. But tell me what you think. Some people feel like say Ninja Man was convicted based on past transgressions, things they doing in past, and how people perceived him as the gold teeth, front teeth Dan Gargan. The man who returned or gave a weapon to a senior cop on stage and then got perform. So of course, people are looking at Ninja not just as Desmond Valentine, but also as the Ninja Man. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Of course, until the reason again, subscribe, like, comment. You know what I mean? Until the reason again, live, love and prosper, and stay tuned.